Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings. AliShanMao here. V-Copter Falcon out here, and I like to fly it line of sight to enjoy, you know, the bicopter flying feel only. For aerial filming, yes, it has a very good camera, but I can tell you, if I need aerial filming, I prefer DJI Mavic Air 2 or the new half-inch sensor on FIMI X8 SC 2022 V2. So this one mostly I love to fly because it's, you know, by rotor. So today I updated the firmware, and after that I'm just waiting for sun to set. I can take some shots today and shoot some videos in low light to see how the camera is performing after the firmware upgrade. But apart from that, it's performing very well. I was shooting some comparison of all active track videos with the Falcon, V-Copter Falcon, and oh, it stopped, and DJI Mavic Air 2 and FIMI X8 SC 2022 V2, and I found that the very strange, the, you know, obstacle avoidance wasn't working on this, but now it's working again. I mean, check it out. I cannot go in the wall, so it's working again. Let's just fly it around and have some fun until sun sets, and I can get some videos then. And hold on, I love to fly it in sports mode. That's where you're gonna have fun flying this baby. This is the mode I love to fly in. So it's very strange that you can actually take off and fly without the app, but you cannot switch to sports mode. Look at that beautiful panorama I did just now. So you cannot switch to sports mode without the app. This is very, very strange. They shouldn't do that. Sports mode, then sports mode, man. There's a button for that. Look at the speed and climb speed. I love it, man. On a bi-rotor, they have a superb stance. The kind of a stance that you simply gonna love. Look at that. This is the stance that nothing can beat, because this is only available in bi-rotors. Ooh, I'm dizzy now. So now let me shoot some videos, and you can enjoy some videos and still shots through the eye of V-Copter Falcon.